What is a lie you have told that has gotten so ridiculously out of hand that you've had to keep building on it and is now a part of your life? 1. A girl I lived with 2 years ago thought I was stealing her yogurt out of the fridge. I told her it couldn't have been me since I'm allergic to dairy, and now I still can't eat dairy in front of her or anyone from that friend group. She even made me a dairy-free cake for my birthday. The guilt is eating me alive. Update. Yeah, I ate the fucking yogurt and it was delicious. No regrets. 2. I'm the kind of person that always leaves my shoes tied and just slips them on. I've been dating this girl for a couple months and then one day my shoe gets untied but I'm too lazy to tie it. It really bothers her and she insists on me tying it. I really don't want to bend over and do it for some reason. It was around the time when Liam Neeson got his shoe tied by Olivia Wilde and I was crazy jealous because I really liked Olivia Wilde since watching House. She eventually asks me, "Don't you know how to tie your shoes?" In my head I'm seeing Liam Neeson getting his shoes tied by Olivia Wilde and how badass it looks. So I say no, I never learned how, you can't tell anyone. To this day when my shoe gets